I just want to say that it's a beautiful journey for me to be working with Ram and with Puri sir and Sharmi and Vishu and everybody. बहुत मज़ा आया, लेकिन मैं इसकी तरह डांस नहीं कर सकता यार. I wish मैं कर सकता था. But really, I really enjoyed every minute. And thank you everybody. Thank you for having me.
बाबा, ladies and gentlemen. उस्ताद, आपकी बारी.
Before the song.
Yeah.
So this is the first song that we shot, and I think one of the first schedules that I shot with Baba. And Baba, you don't need to dance. When you just walk, there's a lot of kick that comes out of it. So I had a lot of fun working with him, but I'll continue that on stage. But this is a super fun song. It's called Big Bull, obviously. So yeah, I had a lot of fun, and yeah, enjoy the song.
Lovely. With your kind permission, shall we? Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the big screen as we play the song Big Bull for the first time for all. Namaskar, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
मुझे बताएं sir, with this kind of response और यहाँ जो इतनी तालियां सीटियां बज रही हैं, when you saw that thing, the trailer और अपनी entry, what do you have to say, sir?
पहला मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, संजू बाबा एक 22 years back हैदराबाद आए थे, मुन्ना भाई MBBS वो टाइम पे, और तेलुगु सेम फिल्म डबिंग हुआ था. आप हमारे लोकेशन पे आए थे. जब देखा, फिर इतने सालों के बाद अब देख रहा हूँ मैं आपको ये हमारे फिल्म में, और आपको देखते ही मेरी माँ की याद आ गई. क्यों बोले तो मेरी माँ 100 times फिल्म देखा मदर इंडिया.
वाह वाह.
कभी भी टीवी में अगर आ गया तो वो चैनल चेंज नहीं करती. अगर कोई भी चैनल चेंज किया तो उसको बहुत बड़ा गाली मिलेगा, बहुत बड़ा. अरे भाड़ खाओ क्यों रे उसको ऐसे क्यों चेंज कर रहा है. तो आई बिलोंग्स टू आंध्र प्रदेश. I started my career 1978. I acted 1250 movies. Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada, and recently Nepali. मेरा भाई पूरी जगन्नाथ, हम लोग साथ में ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल से जर्नी कर रहे हैं हम लोग. हर फिल्म में एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर मेरे को चांस मिलता. तो ये फिल्म में इसको अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से लेके आया. तो अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से क्यों लेके आया अभी नहीं बोलता हूँ, 15 तारीख को बोलता हूँ. ए लबाडे कौनते तारो, और इसका एक साउंड है वो अमेजन से आया.
जोरदार तालियां अलीसा के लिए. Ladies and gentlemen, out and out entertainer हमारे साथ. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Please रहिए हमारे साथ मंच पर. Of course, now I'd like.
Hello Mumbai and hello India. Thank you all of you for coming here to bless us and support us. I'll only say one line. I've seen the film like few days ago. I had this good feeling like जो मार मुंता छोड़ चिंता है ना, like having that मार मुंता and having good biryani, उसके बाद double ka meeta. That's the feeling I had after watching this film. So I thank each and every person from my team, production, say direction department, each and every member from cast and crew. Thank you so much. And Baba has supported us a lot. Ram Bhaiya supported us a lot. Everything like August 15th, this just 7 more days. I will talk on August 15th.
I'm sure.
Thank you everybody.
Of course, sir. As I said, lyrical videos देख के इतना अच्छा response मिल रहा है. जब फिल्म में देखेंगे तो क्या ही होने वाला है. सीटें फटने वाली हैं, सीटियां बजने वाली हैं. Well, now I'd like to invite on stage the very charming of Ji. सुबह से she's been after each and every detail. She's looking into each and every detail, and this is how she is. जोरदार तालियां. चामी, congratulations on this.
Thank you.
As we said, हम बात कर रहे थे गाने के रिस्पॉन्स की क्या होने वाला है. सीटियां तालियां बज गई. What do you have to say? First things first.
थैंक यू. हेलो मुंबई, हेलो एवरीवन. बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि आज जो हमने इतने प्यार से एक पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस की है जिसका नाम है डबल स्मार्ट. 2019 में वी वर ब्लेस्ड विद ह्यूज ब्लॉकबस्टर इन तेलुगु और आपकी कृपा है कि आज हम 5 लैंग्वेजेस में इसका सीक्वल डबल स्मार्ट आपके आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं। अगस्त 15 को हमारे साथ में और 3 पिक्चरें आ रही है। सारी पिक्चरें बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो थोड़ा थिएटर के लिए लफड़ा हो रहा है और नॉर्थ इंडिया में, लेकिन दैट आई विल लीव इट टू द एक्सपर्ट्स अनिल धड़ानी जी एंड दुग्गल जी। दे विल हेल्प अस डू जस्टिस एंड आई होप वी हैव good run in North India also. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Just one quick question. You know, Puri sir, of course, he's a creative genius, but producer bhi to hai. So how many times do you have to like remind him of his producer wala duties ki please thoda thambo?
Honestly, Mr. Puri Jagannath, he deals with the alphabets and I deal with numbers. So we do not enter each other's zone at all. Even though he is well aware of everything, he is fantastic. He's a producer's director, but we have our own departments and he's just amazing in what he does. I'm so thankful that he gives us that space.
Lovely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now I'd like to invite, ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए उनके लिए. Welcome, Kavya.
Thank you.
So good to see you, and you're looking as ravishing as ever, I would say.
Thank you. Shout out to my team for that.
Being here, standing over here, right in front of this team, when Baba is here, Ustad is here, you know, working with them on this project that's really close to Puri sir's heart, and of course, Charmi ma'am's heart. What do you have to say? Puri journey ke bare mein.
First of all, hello Mumbai. This is the first ever Telugu film that I'm promoting in my hometown. So I'm feeling very, very blessed at this moment. Secondly, I think I am currently, मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस वक्त तो मैं एक सपने में हूँ, जो सपना मैंने बचपन से मैं देखती आई हूँ। तो पहली बात तो एज एंड व्हेन आई ग्रू अप मैंने संजय सर की इतनी सारी फिल्म्स देखी, तो टू से द लीस्ट व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट हिम आई वाज ब्लैंक, और उनका सिर्फ एक गाना मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था, वो रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया। तो जब मैंने उनको देखा मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा था, मैं और कुछ आया ही नहीं। आई वाज सो dumbfounded at that moment. तो डेफिनेटली मैं उनके साथ मैंने स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर किया. आई एम ट्रेम्बलिंग while saying this because it's such a huge dream for me that I am living currently. And thank you Sanjay sir, you were a blessing, and हमने पंजाबी में बात की and he made me very comfortable. So thank you, and it is definitely a blessing कि मैंने आपके साथ screen space share किया. Secondly, Ram, you are by far, I'm saying this out and loud, by far the best co-star I've worked with.
Wow.
And I have found a great friend in you. And thank you for everything. No, वही बोला.
क्या लफड़ा भाई.
हे राम, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट नहीं, जेन्युइनली को-स्टार के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग ऑन सेट होती है, बट वो इतना केयरिंग को-स्टार है कि ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मार मुंता मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब हो गई थी, एंड एवरीबडी इज लाइक अब आप क्या खाओगे, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ स्टमक इन्फेक्शन. सो मैंने सिर्फ बोला स्पिनच सूप, एंड दैट डे इटसेल्फ, और आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने अपनी मम्मा से होम मेड स्पिनच सूप बनवाया मेरे लिए, and I'll forever be grateful for that. I think such little things show the kind of a person he is, and he's hilarious also as a person. So thank you for being you. All the best, and hope we work a lot in the future. Now I'm going to get a little emotional because I'm going to speak of Charmi ma'am. She is truly a boss lady and an inspirational woman, and I have hats off to you. आपके चरण स्पर्श करना चाहे. She should be the Charan Sparsh Charmi. That's what she is, because I really look up to her. She is a go-getter and she will do anything for her work, and that's an inspiration for me. And not only that, she's an extremely nurturing, caring, loving person. And I know, again, same day when I was sick, how she took care of me, I can never forget. Usually I always say that I'm a director's actor, but I am a producer's actor too now. I want to be at least.
Thank you.
So thank you for always doing everything for me. I love you. Thank you. Puri sir! This is the biggest feather on my hat in my career journey to be a Puri Jagannath heroine standing here today. Thank you, sir, for seeing Jannat in me and giving me an opportunity to be double Smart. Just a small story. I had auditioned for Smart Shankar, but at that time things didn't work out because double Smart had to happen to me. And thank you. Thank you for giving me this double power pack mass masala entertaining film. Thank you, sir. Love you.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. जोरदार तालियां. वेलकम सर, थैंक यू सो मच. आप यहाँ पर आए सबसे पहले और हम सब के लिए ये लेकर आए हैं. यू नो, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, व्हाट वाज दैट वन थिंग जो सबसे आसान थी या डिफिकल्ट था संजू बाबा को कन्विंस करना टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म? Thank you so much. Can we quickly have the chairs up on?
Ram, me and Charmi, in everybody's mind was one name, Sanju Baba.
All right, the next one again is for you from Jaya Bollywood Now. How do you manage the expectation of fans when creating a sequel to such a successful film like Smart Shankar? And what can audiences look forward to in Double Is Smart?
Yeah, it's hard to crack a sequel, I always. But I promise, and better than the first part. This story is much better than the first part. And Ram's energy is double than that. Double than the first part, I can promise. And 6 songs are there, amazing songs. And NSD Kavya is there. Ali sir, comedy is there.
Absolutely.
And Sabke Upar Baba, Sanju Baba is there. What else you want? It's a full entertainer.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. I'm sure जवाब मिल गया होगा जया जी को. The next one is for Ram bhai. मधु BBC हिंदी से पूछना चाहती हैं कि this is your first pan Indian film. किस तरह की expectations हैं और क्योंकि after बाहुबली, you know, unlimited हो गया है सब कुछ. You know, box office की range जो है वो unlimited हो गई है. So what do you have to say on that?
Hello.
Check, yeah. I generally don't comment on box office, but as an actor, what I like is it's being shared with a lot more people. You know, you can share your content with a lot more people. And yeah, Bahubali definitely opened gates up north and everywhere. And and this film is even more special because everyone has already loved the first part. So I'm sure a lot of people are looking forward to it, and pretty excited.
Okay, any one actor from the Hindi film industry apart from Sanju Baba जिनके साथ आपको काम करने का मन है?
काम करने का a lot of people.
Right.
But I really like Ranbir Kapoor also.
Right.
Yeah. He also played Sanju.
Right.
There's a connection there again.
Right. Cool. Thank you so much for sharing that. Sanju Baba, this one's for you. Rahul from the Filmy Charcha wants to know, एक time था जब आप romantic फिल्में करते थे. अभी आपके सारे friends वो romantic भी कर रहे हैं, action भी कर रहे हैं. क्या fans आपको वापस romance करते हुए देख पाएंगे आने वाले समय में, या यही जो एक अलग bold अवतार आ गया है?
अबे रोमांस, अबे आप क्या बोलते हो? लेकिन
आप कुछ भी करो, हम आएंगे, सीटी बजाएंगे, ताली बजाएंगे.
हाँ, रोमांस भी कर लेंगे अगर कोई अच्छी पिक्चर है. लेकिन हमें अपना जो जनरेशन है यार, वो मास के लिए काम करता था. तो हम लोग मासी हीरो है. अपन साजन कर लिया था एक टाइम, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर थी, गाने अच्छे थे यार. एक और कर लेंगे साजन.
चलो भाई, ये भी एक और अनाउंसमेंट हो गया यहाँ पे. मिथुल फ्रॉम टेली चक्कर wants to know what attracts you so much to the South Indian films. This is your third project and it's again a negative lead. So what is it that
I don't know. I think मुझे भी एक it's a challenge for me also, you know, to be in a South film. And negative is a good space to be in. You know, बहुत कुछ करने को मिलता है, मारने को मिलता है, मार खाने को मिलता है. अब रेप कट गया है, लेकिन वो लेकिन it's good, you know. I mean, at least there's a little something to do for an actor, you know, after doing so many films.
Right. Thank you so much. Kavya, this one's for you. Rohit from Filmy Charcha wants to know, do you have any aspirations to work in a Bollywood film?
Yeah, I don't confine myself to one specific industry. I think I'm very open-minded as an actor. And if I like the script and I can justify the role, then I'd definitely do it.
Any favorite Hindi film actors? ऐसा पूछना चाहते हूँ.
Many, but I guess for me also Ranbir Kapoor after Animal has been like a
Right.
top favorite.
Right. Charmi ma'am, this one's for you. Naveen from 24. मुझे लगा age लिखी हुई है Naveen 24. What according to you makes a pan-Indian film a hit, and what more films are lined up ahead for Puri Connects?
Hello everyone again. So it's not about pan-India or South or Bollywood or English or Russian. I think Puri sir always says that local is global and content is king. And people are appreciating. It's so good to see people are appreciating good cinema, fun cinema, entertainment, masala. At the same time, there's amazing content, different genres. So I think it's we should not have those kind of boundaries.
Right.
And just enjoy cinema. And हमारी picture तो एकदम गली cinema है, गली picture है, and city mar picture है. So I hope people enjoy this also on August 15th.
I'm sure. Second last question. Puri sir, this one's for you. Lipika ji wants to know, do you think now Ram Bhai is the new item boy of the industry?
Definitely.
What is
Definitely.
item boy?
Sorry?
What is item boy?
Lipika ji, would you like to throw some light?